Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. So, nung nakaraan nga na itong dumaan ng Filipino Music Awards, hindi tayo nakapanood, no? So, medyo late tayo sa mga happenings na nangyari. Again, iniiwasan kong ma-spoil ako kung anong nangyari, but hindi natin may iwasan talaga, no? So, I already know. Ang alam ko lang is SB19 got a lot of awards during the Filipino Music Awards. Hindi ko alam kung ilan. I guess 6 because of the video that we have right now. So there's a video from channel Jayco Manangan TV. Title is SB19 Big Winners of Filipino Music Awards. Total of 6 awards. So I guess it's 6 awards in total, no? Spoil na tayo sa title pa lang. But yeah, let's watch this, no?
Fresh from making his 20th year in the industry with a sold-out concert, please welcome Eric Santos.
Si Eric ang mag-announce.
Good evening, Moga Arena! Parang concert lang. Good evening, everyone.
Kasi ang baba ng mic.
Acclaimed for their standout songwriting, irresistible melodies, and infectious appeal, it is my privilege to present the first honor of the evening. Here are the nominees for Pop Song of the Year.
Pop Song of the Year. Okay.
PFMA's Pop Song of the Year nominees are All These Ladies,
BGYO. Okay.
Tanga, Kaya,
Tanga. Diin pa ng pagkakabigas ng tanga yun. Tanga by Kaya.
Kaya, TYO, Tanga, Kaya,
Lupong eh.
Namumula, Maki,
Namumula. Oh, I don't know that. No? Parang hindi pa narinig yung namumula na yun.
Umalikid, Sarah,
Oh.
Dotay,
Wait. Pop Song of the Year, we have Umaaligid, which is a Sarah Geronimo song with SB19. And we have also Dungka. Man, sa nominees for Pop Song of the Year. Man.
Grabe! Pwede ba lahat panalo na? And the Pop Song of the Year is...
The song of BGYO, All These Ladies, we also listen to that. That's a banger song as well, you know? That's a fucking banger song as well, you know?
Pop Song of the Year, Dungka by SB19!
Let's go, man. Dungka. Paano ba namang hindi magiging Pop Song of the Year, no? How can you make a diss track? It's like what's this? Kendrick Lamar, no? You make a diss track or kinda a diss track na na pangmasa, no? Pangmasang diss track.
LJ!
Oh, extra energetic.
Okay, magsasalita na si Josh. Let's go!
Magsasalita lang si Josh, man. Oh my God, man. Yeah, just imagine. Dungka is, a diss track for and then nanalo ng Pop Music Awards, man. God damn.
Okay, magsasalita na si Josh. Let's go!
Kaya pala nakatingin na si Ken noong umpisa pa lang. Tara mo ah. Kaya pinaplano niya nang sabihin to eh. Tara mo ah. Nakatingin na siya eh. No? Patay ka sa akin ngayon. Sabi niya. Baka sabi ni Josh, subukan mo. Subukan mo. God damn.
Okay, magsasalita na si Josh. Let's go!
Pinasa pa rin sa akin. Well, syempre po, para sa Dongka and syempre para sa lahat po ng bumuo nitong musika na to, especially Pablo, ang nagsulat po. Syempre po, gusto lang namin magpasalamat po sa lahat ng sumuport, especially with our culture. Syempre, hindi namin magagawa to kung wala sa mga roots natin from the beginning. At ayun po, hindi na namin pahabain. Salamat po sa lahat sa inyo, from 1Z, Sony, sa lahat po ng bumuo. And of course, 18. We love you so much.
Oh, let's go.
Thank you.
Kamalog maiging mic. Sino yung tumili na yun? Grabe yung tili na yun ah. Pang nawala yung voice box nun ah. Natanggal no pagkatili. Natanggal na no. Oh? Oh man, what happened? What happened? What sa likod? Si Pablo at si Josh bumaba. Ba't yung tatlo yung sa likod? Wala na akong magagawa. Nasa baba na sila. Alangan na aghabulin ko. What happened?
Here to present the alternative song of the year, the powerhouse frontman of multi-awarded band Wolfgang, Basti Artadi, and lead vocalist of one of the trailblazing bands in Filipino rock, Razorback, Kevin Roy.
Oh. Si ano? Blaster? Blaster ba yun? Ah, this is Blaster. This is Unique and... I forgot his name. Zild. Four of Spade.
Good evening, Moa Arena. Good evening, Moa Arena.
Woo! Galit na eh, no?
And congratulations to the team behind the first ever Filipino Music Awards.
Celebrating!
Artisan song, shaping today's culture and setting tomorrow's trends. People's Choice Awards artist, People's Choice Awards international artist, People's Choice Awards song. Okay, People's
Here
Choice
to present
Awards.
the People's Choice Artist Award is today's most versatile and celebrated
People Artist
A
Choice Award,
multi-awarded
People
singer,
Choice Awards
host and performer, Darren.
Darren.
Every time they take the stage.
Hindi naman kasi ako pinapayagang
Here are the nominees for the People's Choice Artist Award.
The infamous People's Choice Awards artist nominees are Beanie, Cup of Joe,
Cup of Joe, nice.
December Avenue,
December Avenue, okay.
Flo G, G22,
Okay.
Hemp Abby's, Matthew, Rico Blanco, SB19.
I mean, we all know that this video is for SB19. Like we all know that most probably all the clips in here, SB19 is, SB19 is winning the awards. So we all know that, no? Kasi this is this is what is this video about. But I just want to say, like, all the nominees there actually deserves to win, no? So I feel like full pack yung yung lineup na yun.
DJ Montero,
And the award for People's Choice Artist goes to
Paupuin nyo naman. Wala na, hindi na umiinit yung upuan niyan. Mapa talaga eh, no? Sasabihan na sila. Oh, this time ha? Pagkatapos to, sa likod ang exit ha? Sa likod ang exit this time. Sabihan sila.
Hey team, maraming salamat! Let's go!
Ha? Tuntua palagi.
Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Thank you so much for this award.
Man, yung ngiti ni Ken dito is parang batang nabigyan ng candy, no?
Sabi ni Diyos, intro boy na ako ngayon.
Intro boy.
Pero sige, isasagay ko na ito. Magpapasalamat ako. Sobrang grabe yung pasasalamat namin dito. And of course, sa lahat ng mga tao nandito ngayon, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Uli sa lahat, God,
Mabuhay.
thank you so much for this award. 18!
Let's go, man.
This one's for you guys. Thank you so much. Love you.
Like back to back, you know? I feel like meron na silang karapatang no? Maningin pa baba eh. Like back to back, what the hell? Huwag mo ko titingnan ng ganyan, ha? Mababa ka sa akin. I'm sorry. Alam kong this is our kind kings, no? Pero, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. At this point, they can just, they can just be a little bit, how can you say this? Mapagmalaki sa sarili, kumbaga. But yeah, ang kitikin dito, no? Tuntua siya. Sa likod na? Sa likod? Hey! Sa likod na! Let's go! Nalo pa naman sa puwet.
The Filipino Music Award continues. And now, to present you...
Blink twice. Beat.
What is the award for this? Sunsilk Award? Marilag. Daling. Great song as well. Great song as well. I don't actually know Namumula. No? Don't you say that. Mananalo na naman ng Dungka. Dungka talaga? Ulit? People's Choice Awards song?
And the award for the People's Choice song goes to... Dungka by SB19!
Hey! Again, no? Again! Let's go, man! Dungka did it again! Wait. So, I guess, nasa likod sila, no? Nasa likod ba sila? Di pa sila nakakabalik. Hindi pa sila nakakabalik. Nasa likod pa rin sila, no? Sila ulit yung nanalo. Paupuin nyo naman. Ayaw nyo nata paupuin eh. Ayaw nyo na paupuin. Intro boy.
Yes, salamat po, syempre. Salamat po.
Every time, kailangan sisigaw ng ng 18! Si Ken, ganun ba?
Salamat po, syempre, sa mga kapwa namin, namin. Gusto ko lang po sabihin, deserve po ng lahat. Hindi po namin na-expect to. Pero maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta ng aming
Just the
musika.
third one, no?
Para naman sa mga hindi sumusuporta ng aming musika. 18! Kung di nyo to gusto! Hey, thank you po para sa inyo. Salamat.
Let's go. Mag-stay na lang kayo sa likod. Stay na lang kayo sa likod.
Congratulations, SB19.
Stay na lang sa likod.
Including this category's roster is an award that recognizes
Beanie First World Tour 2025.
What is this?
Beanie.
This is for what? Tour of the Year. Oh man, huwag niyo sabihin sa akin na yung Tour of the Year. Nanalo sila ng Tour of the Year which is katatapos lang nila. I mean, I don't even know if tapos na sila eh. Tapos na ba sila? Parang hindi pa eh. Sobrang downtown. God damn.
And the award for Tour of the Year goes to Simula at Wakas.
Man, grabe na. Hindi na mapipigilan tong limad na. Hindi na mapipigilan tong limad to. Wala na. Man, sumusobra na kayo. Hindi na tama to. Sumusobra na kayo. So this is after their performance. Iba na yung damit nila. So they already performed the Dam and Kapangyarihan with Ben and Ben. Aiden!
Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyong lahat.
Oh man, lahat sila mag-aano dito, man. Kailangan nila magsalita lahat, no? So dami nilang award, kailangan nila magsalita lahat, man.
Muli nagpapasalamat po kami para sa parangal na ito. Unang-una, hindi naman po mangyayari ito kung hindi po dahil sa pinakamamahal na sumusuporta sa amin ang 18.
Let's go!
Maraming salamat po. Siyempre, ang Panginoong may kapal sa nagbigay po sa amin ng kakayahan para magawa mga bagay.
Kaya walang suot na short si ano, no? Or pants, si Justin. Pwede yan.
Na to. And of course, to our team, Once Entertainment, para sa inyo po ang award na ito. Hindi po namin magagawa ito kung wala ang pagod at pagtulong niyo sa amin. Of course, mga partners namin sa tour na ito, maraming salamat. Live Nation Philippines, Star Media Entertainment, Sony Music Philippines, maraming salamat po. Para sa ating lahat po ang parangal na ito, maraming salamat. Panginoon, maraming salamat po. Have a great night. Maraming salamat.
Let's go, man. sobrang kulit yan eh, no? Ni Ken nung gabi na yun,
Congratulations,
ah.
Ken SB19. And now to present the award.
Performances, stunning production, and massive cultural and commercial impact.
This is what?
This award honors the Standout Live Music Event of the Year.
Live music
Here are
event.
the nominees for Concert of the Year.
Concert of the... This is gonna be Simula at Wakas.
The FMA's Concert of the Year nominees are Silakbo,
Silakbo. Ibig din ang mga title ng ano eh, no? Cup of Joy.
Pure Energy, One More Time, Gary Valenciano.
Which is, SB19 also performs on that concert, by the way.
Reset Concert Series, Regine Velasquez Alcacid.
Oh, really?
Simula at Wakas, World Tour Ticket, SB19. Sarili Nating Mundo at the Big Dome, TJ Monterde.
Hey!
And the award for Concert of the Year goes to Simula at Wakas.
Hindi na nakaupo ulit. Hindi na nakaupo. Akala nyo uupo kayo? Hindi.
Papasalamat lang po ulit kami sa lahat po na bumubuo ng concert.
Let's go.
Ano po kayo dito? Mula sa pinakamababa hanggang sa pinakamataas na posisyon, pantay-pantay po tayo lahat. Hindi mabubuo itong programa na to, yung concert na to, kung hindi dancing.
Let's go, man.
Direct pa, oh.
I want to acknowledge the other artists, my other nominations, Tita Regine, Cup of Joe, my dad, and I want to acknowledge the one guy who was with me in all 4 shows, G.A. Falyarme. This one's for you. Thank you so much.
Let's go, man.
Maraming salamat po. Gusto lang po namin encourage lahat din ng
Sisigaw na naman to ng 18!
artist dito na huwag po kayong matakot mag-concert. Independent, kaya po lahat. Walang imposible. Thank you so much.
Let's go, man. Yeah, independent. Isa pang 18. Gento. Gento naman pinatugtog, no? Ba't di siya sumigaw ng 18? Ano kaya buwa?
Congratulations, SB19. Now we move forward.
Of the year.
The FMA's
Artist of the Year? People's Choice Award for Artist and Song, and then Artist of the Year?
Year nominees are Beanie, Cup of Joe, Earl Agustin, SB19, TJ Monterde,
Eli Buendia, no? Mag-a-announce ng Artist of the Year?
And the award. Sino? The award for Artist of the Year goes to... Congratulations! SB19!
Man, at this point, no? At this point, if I'm for example, one of the artists who got nominated, no? Tapos nakita mo sa lineup yung kasamang SB19, you just have to expect na nominated ka lang. Nominated ka lang. God damn, itong 5 to, hindi na mapipigilan. Sinusobra na kayo. Ano ba ginagawa nyo? Ano ba pinakain sa inyo ng mga magulang nyo? Lahat eh, no? Lahat eh. Lahat nyo na. Huwag nyo sabihin galing pa rin siya sa likod. Galing pa rin sila sa likod. Hindi pa sila nakakaupo. Hindi pa, man. Hindi na pinaupo.
18.
Hindi na sumigaw, man. Nawala.
Grabe.
Lahat na
Just
sila.
preparing for our show, for our performance, and hindi namin expect na until now, we're still receiving awards.
Day.
Maraming salamat po, FMA, for this opportunity, for giving platform for all the musicians, the artists. Sa lahat po ng artist na nandito, deserve po nating lahat na maging artist sa sarili nating mundo sa Pilipinas. So maraming salamat po for never stopping to make music, to send message to the Filipinos. Yun po yung pinaka-importante. Maraming salamat po. Ronzi, Sony, thank you.
Let's go.
Wow! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. winners.
All right. I mean, at this point, no? At this point, if you still doubt the talent of SB19, I mean, hindi ko na lang alam. No? You see what I'm saying? I mean, hindi ko na alam. Right? Kung sino ba ang may mali. Kung ikaw ba o kami. Di ba? If you think that, you know, maybe pang Bisaya taste, pangit yung corny ang SB19, no, maybe you have to talk to yourself and you know, double check if tama ba yung sinasabi mo, kung sa tingin mo ba ang corning taste ay kami o baka ikaw lang yun. O baka ikaw lang yun. Ha? Yeah. I mean, I know this is our kind kings, no? Sobrang babait na ito para gawin to, pero I'm the one who's going to do this for them. I mean, at this point, no? Ako na lang yung maaawa dun sa mga artists na kasama doon sa music awards na yun. You know? Like every time na, and the nominees to this award, no, is, for example, nabanggit yung pangalan ng grupo nyo or nabanggit ka, uy, chance na itong manalo. Laging 50-50 yan di ba? 50-50. And then SB19, like, anyway, wait for the next award. You already know, no? Do they have like an award at that night that they just, you know, one of the nominees, not actually the winner? Kasi hindi ko pa napapanood yung buo eh. Or, I mean, ewan ko kung meron siyang buo or meron ng available na buo niyan, na video na yan. Kasi hinanap ko, wala mo na akong nakita. But, meron bang awards na naging nominee yung SB19 pero hindi nila napanalunan? Kasi kung meron, I mean, fair play, but they still have 6 awards. Come on, man. 6 awards? What do you mean? What do you mean, man? But yeah, I mean, that is our reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Kung gusto mo mag-submit yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. Nag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. And peace!